Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low.
Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So I'm going into Burlington to see if I can find some outdoor pillows. So let's go in and see what we can find.
Let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, me, timing's right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him play me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's get this flick, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, me, timing's right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do. But tonight, baby, outside. Outside.
Back home, and I went to Dollar Tree to pick up some supplies for DIY. I picked up these pillows from Burlington and this plant from Burlington. I already had these pillows that I purchased from Walmart, and I also purchased some pillow covers from Amazon. So I'm really not sure about those pillows that I purchased from Burlington, but I'm going to keep them, and if I don't like them, I will return them. So yeah, so this is the DIY that I'm going to do. It's an outdoor fire pit. I'm not going to show you guys in this video how I did it, but if you like it, I need you to comment DIY in the comments. And if you comment, if I get enough comments, I will do a separate video on a DIY outdoor fire pit. So I'm picking up where I left off in the last video. I'm going to add the chair cushions and pillows.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball
to see how everything came out. But before I do that, let me show you what the deck looked like before I made all these changes. And I still have a few things to do, but I'm very happy with how everything came out. I hope you guys like it. If you do, leave me a comment, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Just want y'all to know how much I really appreciate y'all. I appreciate each and every one of y'all who like the videos, who subscribe to the channel, who shares the videos, and who comments on the videos. Thank you so much.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant, you have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days, it could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why